Okay, here's the last part of that question, which is what is the minimum number of jars of silver polish that must be sold to continue to justify turning it into silver? So this is actually something that you and I covered back in chapter 3. So I am going to refer you back to page 84 of your textbook. And what we need to do is find the break-even point, which is unit sales to break even is basically equal to fixed expenses divided by the unit contribution margin. So what's the unit contribution margin? Nothing more than what the incremental revenue is divided by those costs. Because remember, this is revenue that we're making as a result of processing for the silver polish, and these are the additional costs that are incurred as a result of producing that silver. Said another way, if we decided not to manufacture the sparkle polish, what would we be giving up? Well, we'd be giving up the $4 less the 50 cents, because remember, we could make that over here, and we certainly wouldn't be incurring any of these costs. So let's go ahead and figure out what our unit contribution margin is. Okay, and I'm just going to take this number, subtract it from this number, and I get 70 cents. So now I know what my fixed costs are. They did give me depreciation as a fixed cost, but remember that's a non-cash kind of an event. So I'm going to take my $3,000 plus my $4,000, oops, and try to get this in the formula the right way. Let's go plus 3,000 plus 4,000, that's 7,000. Then we're going to take our 7,000 and we're going to divide that by our unit contribution margin, and that is not a dollar figure, that is how many units it's going to take us to justify just breaking even on the polish. So what we need to be able to say now is that if you cannot produce at least 10,000 jars of the sparkle polish, then you should probably just cut this as the additional process further product that you're making. Okay, hope that helps.